Hey everybody, Sarah here with Sarah Travels Happy, and I am at the Grand Floridian at the Walt Disney World Resort in Florida, and I am going to show you one of the outer building rooms, garden view. So this is room 9406. If you like what you see, you can always find me at sarahtravelshappy.com and we can get this book for you. So let's take a look. So we can go inside. So if you know anything about the Grand Floridian, it is based off of the elegant resorts of the latter 1800s. This is the Grand Dame of Disney. It is just very posh with beautiful ornamental touches. For example, look at that entryway light. Tiffany glass is just stunning. So when you first walk in, you have a wonderful entryway. Beautiful hardwood floors. You have a closet. Even the safe is in a little shelf. Fancy. Got your robes. And then to your left, you have your full bathroom. Double sinks. Great when you're traveling with kids. And of course, you've got your Disney H2O spa amenities, including some new additions. We've got aloe and foot scrub and a vanity kitten mouthwash. So a little upgrade there. We've even got a hamper. Amazing. And a separate toilet closet. Here, plenty of towels everywhere. Nice, spacious, deep tub. More shower amenities. Nice tiles, big shower head. Lots of room for the whole family. And then we're going to go through this little door. So on your right, you're going to see we have a little place to relax. A reading chair in the corner, trash can and recycling bin. We've got our dresser, huge flat screen TV. I'll tell you what's going on in the parks. You got your mini fridge in there and lots of storage. Now this over here, this couch is actually a sleeper couch. Okay, so these rooms can actually sleep 5, which is great if you have a family with 3 kids like I do. Okay. So this room comes with 2 options. You can get a double queen, okay, which is going to sleep 5, or you can get a king, and that's going to sleep 4. Over here you've got your desk, little bit of a refresh and an upgrade here. We now have a Keurig, so we have those little pots that we've all become so dependent on. So that's a new upgrade. And then we have a nice little patio here, table and chairs. It is actually nighttime, so you get to see everything all lit up. That's actually the main building there. So as you can see, this is the Big Pine building. It's actually really close. So that is the Grand Floridian Cafe on the first floor that you're looking at right there. Right, and you're right here on one of the multiple pools available at this resort. Okay, this is right outside your window on the 4th floor. Okay. So beautiful view. Imagine this day filled with kids. So again, just taking one last little walk through. Got our queen beds and entertainment, extra sleeping area. And that is an outer building. 2 queen, sleeps 5, garden view. Again, Sarah Travels Happy. Find me at sarahtravelshappy.com and we will send you to Disney today. Bye.